we're going to attempt to unbox the MSR Whisperlite International. I've got the fuel, I've got annoyances in the back, I've got the box, the stove, and I have no idea how this thing works. So we're gonna open this thing up to see what's inside. And they're making coffee. It's perfect. Oh, and we got Arnold Palmer. So there's that. Box is empty. Oh, you can see the specs on the back and listen to Penny play with her ball. It uses white gas or kerosene. And what do we have? MSR Super Fuel. It doesn't say if it's white gas or kerosene, so I guess we'll guess. My wife is going to hold the camera. So what do we got in here? We got some aluminum thing. Can you see it? Some aluminum thing. I'm guessing that's what that's for. And we got the stove itself. And I have no idea how it works. I'm guessing it's like that. We've got the stove. We've got the connection. I have no idea what this thing is. We've got a windscreen, I think. And we got some tools. We got all this stuff, I got no idea what it's all for. So we're gonna find out. And we got directions. So we're gonna stop right here and see what we're gonna do. That's everything that was in the box, including Patrick's phone and Patrick's coffee. So now we're gonna figure out how it all goes together. Wish us luck. As you can see, the directions are in a bunch of different languages, and I believe there's more on the back. Yeah, there's more languages on the back. So I need to find the right language. So when I opened the cap to the fuel, it had this inside of it. That was in there. Now my suggestion would be get a pair of pliers or something to pull it out, because keep it granted, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. That was a pain in the butt to get out. So I poured my fuel into my canister, and then this goes into there. So I have it all set up, but it doesn't lay very flat. This is on a flat table, so I imagine it's not, you're not going to find a flatter spot in the woods. This just went into there. This canister got bought separate.
Okay.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Here it
is.
Then stop it. Okay. We have it primed. I don't know if you can see, but the bottom of the cup is fluid. The wick is wet like it's supposed to be. Now the stove is off. According to the directions, I like that, and I don't die. It says a slight puff is normal, and if I screw this up, I'm gonna have to buy a new one. So let's find out. Okay, we've got her lit. Now we're supposed to let it burn off. This is preheating the stove. So with any luck, we won't set the house on fire. That's kind of cool. I know I'm totally doing this wrong, so. And we have success. We have successfully got this thing going. It wasn't that hard, considering I didn't really read the directions. And we all didn't die. And now, my buddy Patrick can go camping in the wintertime. And that's your unboxing of the MSR stove.